is our machine gun. This is our belt-fed submission. Feeds from starter belts that you can have in 50 or 100. And again, it's M4 type controls. It's controls that a soldier's used to using on his infantry weapon that is now transferable to a belt-fed weapon. So our magazines load simply like any other magazine. It would click in, you take your starter belt, you jam it in the feed tray, and you're ready to go to battle. You cannot. We chose to move away from that option. We chose to optimize for ammo pouches that load like magazines. So when we put our guys in a room and we're like, what do you want? For our professional soldiers that we use as our evaluators, this is what they came up with, and it's been a huge success for us. The soldiers that we take this to love this. Here we have our submission for belt-fed machine gun. Again, side charging handle, right? It detents to the outward position. When you return the charging handle to the forward position, you actually get rid of that catch point. So we have it spring detented closed and detented out. We kept the 5-position extendable stock, right? Also side folding. We go to full auto first, and then semi-style controls, M4 grips, M4 stocks. So the transition's nice from an infantryman to a belt-fed soldier. We have 2-position gas setting on this gun as well, with the same performance that you expected on the infantry squad weapon. You also get out of the belt-fed weapon. So we can load this with our side folding feed cover. We can actually load this with the feed cover down. No need to lift the cover to load the weapon. So if you're in a threat situation, you've fired out your ammo, you need to change, you would simply release the magazine, install a new magazine, and jam the belt in and back up and running. No need to come up from cover, lift the cover, look, check, sweep links anymore. Our last link is under control, and our new belt will push that last link out. So one takeaway that I would love to give to any soldier out there is when you pick up our weapons, it should feel like a weapon that was designed for an end user, because it was designed by end users.
Thank you so much.